In this tutorial, we'll talk about adding information to your introduction block, including an image. So you need to go to the course that you've been assigned. It will start with EDU 244, and it will be on the main Moodle page that you log into. So the first thing always you do is turn on your editing. It's this blue button. And then we're going to start here. You'll see where it says add your welcome message here. Underneath is a little cog. If you hover over it, it will say edit summary. Anywhere you see this cog, you'll be able to edit whatever you've done. So if you make changes, you make them by clicking on this edit setting, which is the little cog. So you need to click that so that you can change that intro message. You don't have to add a section name, but where it says add your message here, you're going to delete that, so you can just highlight it and delete it. Then you are going to type in the information I am requiring you to type in for your Moodle course, which is on the rubric. So in your introduction course, your introduction block, you have to include a picture, a course subject, so the name of your course, a link to your ePortfolio, and your contact information. So on this toolbar, I want to just show you a couple of the tools. This tool is to make this full screen. So you click on it once, it makes it full screen. You click it again, it returns it back to this size. I want to make sure you understand that. This section has to do with fonts. So you can change your font family, you can make it larger or smaller, you can use a heading. This is where you would pick your justification, either right, center, or left justified. Also, I wanted to show you that you can change color here. So if you drop that down, you can change the color. Here's that HTML button you use whenever you're embedding video. You would click it and then put in your embed code, anywhere you're allowed to put coding in. Here's a spell check next to it, and then today we're going to be using this insert edit image button. And that's actually where we're going to start, because you'll be able to type things in no problem. But I do want to make sure you know how to put in an image. You can either put in an image of yourself, or you can put in an image you find on the web. And I'm going to walk you through how to do that using an image and the URL address. So we're going to go to Google, and you're going to type in something for your course. So let's say I'm going to do a math course. I'm just going to type math and click enter, and then I'm going to click images on the black bar. Here you'll see lots of different math images. I'm going to choose this calculator. So if I click on this calculator, then I also need to click view original image. Once I click view original image, it'll be the only image you see on the screen. This is when you copy the web address. So click up in the web address bar, right click and hit copy or Control C. Then you're going to go back to your Moodle course, and you are going to click this little insert edit image button. Here it comes. So you'll see you can put right here the web address. Now if you decide to upload an image you already have on your computer, you would click up here, but we don't need to do that. So we're going to paste in the web address. We're going to put a little description. I'm just going to put calculator, and down here I will click insert. As you can see, the image is really big, so I want to edit that image by making it smaller. So I'll click that full screen toggle button. If you click once on the image, it'll give you pull handles. You'll see them here. It's like a little black box all the way around the image. I'm just going to take the right corner and push it up. This will make it small, and you want it pretty small. So I'll make it this size. And then I'm going to center it, so I'll click the center button. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit enter. You have to kind of click outside the image. And then I'm going to do, you'll see it's left justified, which is what I want, and eventually I'll probably recenter it. And then I would type in all my contact information, and then I would also put the name of the course, which I would probably put that above my name. So let's say the name of my course is Introduction to Math. I'm going to center this. Make sure you put all the contact information. I'm looking for an email address. You could put your phone number if you wanted to, a room number, your name. Just make sure you have all of that. So I am going to highlight the Intro to Math because I want to actually make that bigger, and I'm going to do that by where it says paragraph. I'm going to go to heading 2, which will make it big, and then I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to pick that blue color because it kind of matches my graphic, and now I have my Introduction to Math right underneath. The next thing is your ePortfolio. So let's say you put my ePortfolio, and you need to hyperlink that to your portfolio. You would highlight it, and the universal symbol for hyperlinking is a chain. So you would go up here and you see this chain. If you hover over it, it says Insert or Edit Link. Click on it, and this is where you would put the address to your ePortfolio. So just put it here, and I always have everything open up in a new window because that way it doesn't take anyone out of Moodle. You can type ePortfolio here, and then you would just hit Insert. When you're done, probably want to pop that back down to regular size. You'll have more information than I do right now. You don't need to have any of this checked. You're just going to leave this completely, and you'll hit Save Changes. When you do that, you'll see your information in the introduction block of your Moodle course.